Hey tech fans! We've got the latest scoop on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's packed with exciting specs and features. Remember the rumors about Samsung ditching the Plus variant? Forget about it. Android Headlines has retracted their statement, and we can expect the Plus variant to stay. Samsung's Galaxy AI functions are getting an upgrade. While we love the helpful features, they won't be free forever. Samsung's planning to expand its capabilities and start charging for AI technologies from 2026. We've got our hands on the S25 Ultra prototype leak, and it's a game changer. Although it's an older S22 Ultra prototype, ICE Universe's insights reveal an asymmetrical frame design. The area near the screen is straighter, while the central frame is more rounded. Expect a thinner bezel and a trimmed-down design. Bennett Bunner has shared 3 innovative design concepts for the S25 Ultra, showcasing his expertise in the new form factor. Stay tuned for our upcoming S25 video where we'll dive deeper into these ideas and share fresh thoughts. Here's a twist. Samsung might be considering MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus for the next Galaxy Tab and a new processor for the S phones, possibly the Dimensity 9400. Although this is just a consideration, it's an interesting development. The S25 series won't rely solely on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and Samsung's in-house chipset production is facing challenges. For those eager to get their hands on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, all models will still be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. We're breaking down the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide if it's worth the wait. The Galaxy S25 boasts a stunning 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED display, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Enjoy enhanced brightness, color accuracy, and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, paired with HDR10+ and a crisp 1080 by 2340 resolution. Take stunning selfies with the 12-megapixel punch-hole camera, and unleash your inner photographer with the triple camera setup, featuring a broad, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. Although we're still awaiting confirmation on the exact sensors used, we know it's going to be impressive. The Galaxy S25 will be powered by the Exynos 2500 globally and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the USA, paired with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4 storage. Stay connected with 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband compatibility. The Galaxy S25 will debut with One UI 7 based on Android 15, offering an intuitive and feature-rich interface. Mark your calendars for January 25th, when the Galaxy S25 will hit the market starting at around $800. With a 4,900 mAh battery and 45-watt quick charging, you can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of juice. Stay connected with 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband compatibility. The Galaxy S25 is released with One UI 7 based on Android 15, offering an intuitive and feature-rich interface. Mark your calendars for January 2025, when the Galaxy S25 will hit the market starting at around $1,000.